how to get a shareable link on Google Drive. This is what we're going to talk about today in this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section. This really helps a lot. So without any further ado, let's move into the video. First of all, you have to go and open Google Drive on your mobile. As you open Google Drive on your mobile, then you have to select the video that you want to send. Then you have to, it can be any file. The method works on iOS and Android and also on desktop. So you have to go on these three lines that are located on the side of the file that you are selecting. Then you have to go down and go on share option. As you go on share option, then you will have an access to you want to share. Now who can have access? You have to click on who can have access. Now you have to change this restricted to anyone with the link. As you click on anyone with the link, it will take some time to update. Now this permission is updated. Now you have to go back and you have to copy the link from here. As the link is copied on your clipboard, now you can send this link to anybody and you will able to share your drive. This is all from the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. If you have any question, put it down in the comment section, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.